Hello everybody and welcome to Margaritaville Resort in Orlando, Florida.
Welcome!
Kim and I are in Orlando for a week on some much needed vacation away from the Oregon cold weather. And for the first time in I don't even know how many months, I'm in shorts and flip-flops. It feels really weird. We don't even get too many of those days in Portland as it is. Our summers are pretty short. So right now we're looking at about 80 degrees. We'll show you around the resort. And then just a couple hundred yards away, they have this brand new entertainment complex that we'll show you around. That's pretty awesome.
Hopefully Jason stays off of our legs because we're really white right now.
Yeah,
we're from the Northwest.
We are very white right now. So we'll show you around the place. So far, pretty impressed with this whole area that they built up here. It's all brand new. They've got a water park here, which is less than a couple hundred yards away. They've got this whole shopping center with all a bunch of really cool restaurants. And then of course this resort with all of its bars and pools and all that cool stuff. So looks like a pretty neat place to come hang out. All right, so we just got ourselves checked in here and they gave us a nice rum punch drink for free. And then they have happy hour going on right now where you can get margaritas for $5. Can't beat that at a resort. When's the last time you paid $5 for anything at a resort? Nice. Changes in latitude, changes in attitude. I like that.
We get a view of the pool.
This is nice.
Sweet.
This is nice, folks. Let's show you around the room. All right, so here's our room. Pretty nice. 3rd floor, 5th floor?
5th floor.
So which is the top floor, and we got a pool view, which is pretty cool. And you can see there are 2 queen beds because Kim doesn't like to sleep in the same bed with me anymore because I'm old and I snore now, and it just frustrates her. And we've been married a long time, and so we don't care about sleeping in the same bed anymore. Take a seat there. Now, when we got off the airplane today in Portland, or on the airplane today in Portland, it was 30 degrees.
Our truck had ice on it.
Yeah, we got here, it's 5 o'clock at night and it's 85 degrees.
I'm a little warm just like
So that's about 50-degree difference just with a 5-hour flight. So we are definitely going to be hitting the old air conditioner here real quick because it's hot for us.
So I have to show this specifically because in this song he stepped on a pop top and he blew out his flip-flop. So there's the pop top and there's his blown flip-flop.
that's it. The last day here at the Margaritaville Resort in Orlando, Florida. Had a really good time.
It was awesome. I would absolutely come back.
Anyway, on to the next adventure. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick little tour of the resort. We highly recommend it. They're really good as far as the service goes.
They took great care of us. We had an awesome package, and it was true to the word. Included breakfast, had $50 daily resort credit,
Couple free drinks.
Yeah.
So really just a good value overall. And you know, it's an expensive resort, you know, for the area. Well, I should say for if you're staying at Disney, I mean, it's a bargain for a Disney resort. It's a couple miles away from Disney World. But for this area, you know, Kissimmee, which we're in, you could probably find something a little less expensive. But for the quality that you're getting in the stay, highly recommend it and well worth the money.
Plus, it's all new, so everything in there is all nice and new, and it's all new staff, and they're very happy to help. And yeah, it was a great experience.
All right, on to the next adventure.
See ya.